Most diagnostics wings are fail, not just because of bad equipment. जब मैं दिल्ली आया था in 1920 के आसपास, कोविड was also there. There are many labs at that time, but currently वो बंद हो चुके हैं. Scary truth, but it's true. Even मैं अभी जिनको जानता हूँ, they are still running of lack of sample, lack of technicalities, lack of they don't understand कि उस business को run कैसे किया जाएगा. They are not just because of equipment, not just because of something they are running very wrong way. So what is a seller or the consultant person, those who are just helping some organizations to be helped, how to be just acquire some samples and just running the big volume and all. So if you are just reducing the machines test calibrations and all, you have to be explain everything by each and everything very clearly. अगर आप उनको समझा सकते हैं सर्विस टाइम, ऑफ टाइम, सपोर्ट टाइम, एवरीथिंग, आप एज सेलर क्या हेल्प कर सकते हो? बिकॉज इन द डायग्नोस्टिक ट्रस्ट इज नॉट जस्ट बिल्ड बाय द फीचर्स, इट्स बिल्ड बाय द फ्लॉलेस डिलीवरी. At a 2023 report of the Frost and the Sullivan says that the diagnostic centers with a high perceived accuracy अगर है आप में तो 2.4 गुना आपका पेशेंट ट्रस्ट बढ़ जाता है, लॉयल्टी बढ़ जाता है, रेफरल्स बढ़ जाता है. That's what doctor really wants. Loyalty not just about lab report. आप रिपोर्ट पे ट्रस्ट नहीं जनरेट कर सकते. It's about how you touch with them in a personal way. So if you truly wants to help them, be the reason of their diagnostic wins become the most trusted name in the town. So that is the way of connecting with the best pathologists, good pathologists, and help them to be grown into their services. If you are like that, follow me for more strategic selling to win the doctor trust and to become the invisible force behind a diagnostic group. Thank you.